Microsoft's own translator is a twofold system, which runs on a so-called statistical machine translation, or an SMT, that is built to provide contextual translations in computer systems. More recently, Microsoft Translator runs on what is called a neural machine translation, or an NMT system. The SMT involves matching the best phrases or words between each language together and actualizing the best translation into a sentence through a cohesive linguistic model or statistical data. The NMT system's development is relatively new to translation providers, which attempts to learn through artificial intelligence, or AI. Counter to the previous SMT system, the NMT system translates the full context of the sentence rather than just a few words at a time. Through the NMT system, words and phrases are encoded into two-dimensional vectors, which are on the 500 or 1000 level scale, and then are deciphered as with the SMT system, matching each word of a sentence to its contextual equivalent in its intended targeted language. Only, the NMT system is vastly faster, as the first word is translated in association with the rest of the sentence's words and/or phrases in quick succession. Microsoft Translator as a tool for early language proficiency can be highly valued for its web service as well as mobile translator. One of the main aspects that make Microsoft Translator great is that it's free. Moreover, the web application's layout is simple with 4 pages that include a textual translation software, a history log of past translated words or phrases, its conversation log enabling users to privately chat through both textual and audible translation to each other's respective languages, and a phrasebook for easily accessible and everyday translations that might help in quick timing. For students, this tool is understandably great as its easy to figure out layout is comprehensible to the naked eye, and can be readily used by anyone wanting or willing to start up a conversation with others not being able to do so verbally. Especially when it comes to the live conversation and phrasebook features, do students in foreign exchange programs that either speak a foreign language or are attempting to communicate in real time see the biggest impact, as the translations provided by Microsoft's touted 90 languages enables quick and active conversations to become plausible in the classroom environment. On the flip side, the Microsoft Translator does have its kickbacks, as I mentioned earlier from Microsoft's own webpage on MTs. The problems arise as the words translated are just merely potential translations, and are learning from humans, which can be faulty. Another major problem that was spotted among the user-generated feedback collected on campus was the limitations in some language formats that the translator did not provide, or even the single dialect of Spanish that is offered on the app. Finally, the largest pushback from student-generated feedback was the mobile application of Microsoft Translator, as unlike its web-based design, it can be harder to navigate for potential users, as images guide users through the app without any sort of text to indicate what service does what function.